This 2020 Ford Ranger is brought to you by Next Step Auto Sales LLC, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Ford is powered by four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, EcoBoost i4 inline four-cylinder engine, and has 34,377 miles. Discover rugged reliability with this 2020 Ford Ranger. Your adventure starts here. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.